Alright y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make at least one of these per day with ClickBank and YouTube ads in 2020 inside the woodworking niche. Now with YouTube ads, it's kind of like a newer topic inside the CPA affiliate marketing space, because not too many people, content creators and stuff, they not really talking about it too much, but I've been running YouTube ads behind the scenes to promote affiliate offers, my own offers, and other things like that. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick little run through of how to set this up inside the woodworking niche. So watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. And just because I don't talk about YouTube too much, I decided to do a giveaway inside this video. So anybody that liked this video, well, to enter the giveaway of my YouTube passive income course, all you gotta do is like this video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and watch this video to the end, man. And I'm gonna pick one winner on inside my next video. But now that we got that out the way, let's get straight into this training. Alright y'all, so I'm inside the ClickBank marketplace right now, and I already told y'all about the title of this video and in the intro that we are going to be using an offer inside the woodworking niche, and y'all can pretty much assume what offer that is. Let me go try to find it. Here we go, right here. Ted's Woodworking, 16,000 woodworking plans, opening a new tab. So y'all can check out the sales page. 16,000 plans, beat the quarantine offer, 77% discount. So that'll look good to anybody that's interested in this offer, just seeing this. And I can almost guarantee you it's the same price. They just put 77% discount to make it look good. But, it's just a sales tactic. Let's see. Sales page still look good from the last time I checked it. Same old Ted's Woodworking. So this offer pays out, what is it? $54.61 initial sale. Got a rebill of 110. Gravity of 229. So, still, if not, I think it might be the most popular offer inside the home and garden niche. As you can see right here, it's the #1 offer inside, top seller in ClickBank for years running. Evergreen niche with a huge market, yada yada yada. Now once you got your offer set up, now with YouTube ads you need a landing page just like you need one with Facebook ads. With Bing ads you don't have to have a landing page. You can easily just set up a direct link campaign, but with YouTube you definitely need a landing page, and I created one already inside of ClickFunnels. So let me move me out the way real quick. This is the landing page I created right here. Let me open this in a new tab. Already pre-built for this offer. I actually ran traffic to this landing page and made some sales with it myself. You can see free video reveals, how to get access to 16,000 woodworking plans. Got some benefits or bullet points, whatever you want to call it. A sub headline, an image, and when you click on that image, it takes them straight to the offer. Very, very simple stuff. I use this mainly for Facebook, but I'm using it for YouTube in this tutorial. I got my privacy policy and terms. All I do is get that from the offer sales page, and yeah, I pretty much have this text here for Facebook, because you're gonna need this to run Facebook ads. But next thing I want to check out is the affiliate resources page for this offer. So if we go right here to the affiliate page, this is what I love about offers like Ted's Woodworking, because they come with everything you would need to make sales with it, and that's the best affiliate offers that you can promote, when they give you all the tools that you need to succeed. There you can see they got custom landers, banners, PPC keywords, demographics for Facebook, email swipes, direct link stuff, review videos, and actually we're gonna be using these two right here, PPC keywords and review videos. The keywords is gonna be the keywords right here. The PPC keywords, we're gonna be using that for our targeting when we setting it up on YouTube, and the review videos we're gonna be using as our ads. So what I want to do is, wait a second. We already got our landing page. We got the offer. Now what we need to do is just download the review videos and copy the keywords. Well, we can really copy the keywords when we set it up over on YouTube. We don't need to paste it into a document, a Google Docs file right now. So what I'll do is just take one of these videos. I already downloaded this one right here. So what you will do is just open it in a new tab. This will be the video. Play a few seconds of it. Is it muted or something?
Ted.
Oh, there you go.
I recently came across Ted's woodworking online course, and I'm so glad that I did. The amount of plans included with the program.
All right, so you got pretty much a gist of it right then and there. It's just like a quick 50-minute or 1-minute review of the product. And once you want to download it, just click the little 3 dots right here. Click on download.
Simply blew my mind.
And from there, like I said, we want to go back to the top and go to the PPC keywords. You can pretty much just leave it here, because this is the next step we're going to need from the affiliate page. Now we got our landing page. Oh, I forgot to mention too, if you want this done for you landing page, it actually comes with 30 done for you landing pages. As you can see right here, all for different CPay offers, ClickBank offers, max bounty offers, and stuff like that. 30 landing pages you can get if you sign up to ClickFunnels under me. I'll leave links below to everything mentioned inside this video. So yeah, all you have to do is just get the link from me, this ClickFunnels share code, and then put your affiliate link inside the image and a button, and you're pretty much good to go. You got a ready-made landing page that you can use to promote on pretty much any traffic source. Now, next thing you do once you download the video is upload it onto your YouTube channel. You can make a new YouTube channel related to woodworking. So I wouldn't want to put it onto my 7 Figures marketing channel and then run ads targeting woodworking people. I would make a new YouTube channel called Woodworking Forever or something like that, and then upload the video. So upload the video. You don't really need no title, descriptions, and tags and stuff like that. All you need is that video URL. So let me show y'all right here. I already uploaded the video too, just to speed up the video. And right here, all you need is just this link, because we're gonna be doing the in-stream ad. Unless we was doing like display ads where, for example, you know, you go search on YouTube and then you see like the first video is an ad. You're gonna need a headline, you're gonna need a thumbnail, you're gonna need all that stuff. But when you're doing a simple in-stream ad, all you need is the video and some keywords you want to target. So this is the YouTube ads setup right here. So what I'm about to do is create a campaign with our goal guidance video. I don't really mess with this. I'll just leave it at custom. Click on continue. Campaign name, we can name this Ted's Woodworking. Oops, spelled it wrong. Bidding strategy, I'll leave that alone. Campaign total, I always do daily. I always recommend, if you're gonna do paid traffic, at least have a budget to run, you know, $20 a day, or at least a few $100s in total to run paid traffic. There's no need to run paid traffic if you only got $100 to your name. I definitely recommend 300 plus. I get that question a lot. Probably should shoot a separate video on that, but you know, at least a $20 daily budget. Right here, networks, you want to go with YouTube videos instead of search results, so uncheck everything. And languages, you want to do English. That now you could, you know, locations, you could leave it at United States, or you can go back to the affiliate resources and look at the demographics. So you can see just from looking at the age ranges, I'm gonna target, you know, 25 plus or 35 plus, and all male users. That's what I would do, and then target countries in order. So United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia. You can set that up over on YouTube. Let's do it right now. United States. Oops. United States. United Kingdom, Canada, and what was it? Australia. Target. Now we got our locations down packed. Inventory, you can leave it as standard if you want to. I normally do expanded just so I can get more reach and things like that. Additional settings, you can leave this going. Actually, devices, you want to set specific devices. You don't want to target tablets or TV screens. Really just TV screens, because who watching TV want to just buy some 16,000 woodworking plans. So you can leave tablets on if you wanted to. Once you're done with that, add schedule, blah, blah, blah. Add group name. We can name this Keywords / in-stream. In-stream, for those who don't know, in-stream, that's just the ads that play right before a video that you're watching. So if you're watching a video about woodworking, you know, those ads where you can skip it after 5 seconds, that's basically what an in-stream is. And that's what we're setting up in this video. Now, demographics, like I said, I'm going to target 25. You can do 25 and up or 35 and up. I think 35 and up might convert a little better. And I would take off females, because this is mostly geared towards, you know, the older woodworking guys. And from there, scroll down. Now we can go back to the affiliate page and copy those keywords I was talking about. And let's go to it right now. PPC Keywords. I'm just take this one group of keywords instead of doing all 3. And go back to the campaign, paste that in there. And on the side right here, as you can see, you can get all the weekly estimates and impressions and stuff that you're going to get according to your bid that you set up or your budget. And let's see, Dow House woodworking plan. So I got to take that out. Dow House. Hopefully it's in order. Here it goes. Let's take that out and see what happens now. Let's see if we get some estimates. Okay, 200 million impressions. Placements. This right here, you can put in like YouTube channels related to woodworking. You place ads on specific videos inside the woodworking niche. If you wasn't doing the keyword targeting, I recommend just splitting it up. If you're gonna do an ad group targeting keywords, do an ad group targeting YouTube channels, and do an ad group targeting YouTube videos that's going viral. That's a ninja tip. And bidding, you can just do like I want to say 10 cents. You can leave it there. And now right here, like I said, all you can need is that video URL that you uploaded onto YouTube and paste that into there. No videos found. Did not upload. Oh, I don't even think I uploaded. That's why. Okay. I got to upload it first. You got to upload the video as unlisted first before you can use it for your ads or whatever. So monetization, no monetization. Next, no end screens, nothing. Unlisted. Click on save. Now when I copy the link, it should work. Hopefully I don't got to refresh the page or nothing like that. Details, copy the video link. Just paste it and see if it updated by now. Let me refresh the page and see if that helped. Hopefully I got to restart the whole thing. I'm gonna be mad. All right, so they made me restart the whole thing. Let me just paste it in here. Skippable in-stream ad. Just kind of continue where we left off at. Final URL. This is where you want to put your landing page. Where is it? Right here. Paste that into there. Display URL. Just leave it like that. Call to action. You can put learn more. Headline. You can you can put 16,000 wood plans. Okay, 16,000 wood plans. All right, that'll work. Or you can put 16K wood plans. Now just leave it like that for the most part. 16K wood plans. The video is playing right there, as you can see. There's the mobile version, and from there you can just click on create campaign. I would just click on create campaign so you can see what it looks like afterwards, but I do not feel like putting in all this stuff over again. But long story short, man, find you an offer. Well, the best offers for YouTube right now is the ones that's what the affiliate offers that already come with keywords that you can use, videos you can use, and all that other stuff, landing pages and stuff like that. So it can be a quick setup, and most of those offers actually convert like crazy. So yeah, man, like I mentioned earlier in the video, if you want my landing pages that I use for all my affiliate products and things like that, you can just click the link in the description down below. It should be titled somewhere something like get my 30+ done for you landing pages for free. So anybody that signs up to ClickFunnels under me can get access to all of those landing pages. All you have to do is just swap out my affiliate links for yours, and you good to go. But that's pretty much all I got for this video. And like I said at the beginning of this video, you can enter the giveaway because I'm gonna be giving away one person free access to my YouTube passive income course, where I basically teach you how I rank YouTube videos, make passive income month after month, and I'm actually adding in YouTube ads as we speak. I even got the done for you woodworking campaign inside here already that you can get access to. So to enter that giveaway, just like this video. Hopefully you watch this video to the end. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and leave a comment down below to enter the giveaway. And in my next video, the winner will be announced. But that's pretty much all I got for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.